What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to cancel your Audible subscription. So if you are subscribed to the Audible service through the audible.com website and you want to cancel your subscriptions, here I'll show you the steps to do so. So first you need to go to the Audible website and then sign in with your Audible account. And then in the top navigation bar, hover over your username. It'll give you an option or like a pop-up menu. Select account details and then select the cancel membership link and the cancel membership option. It'll ask you to confirm if you want to cancel, and it might ask you to sign in again. So go ahead and sign in, and then you can go ahead and continue to cancel your Audible subscription.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.